Hey guys, what's up? It's King Fox here. In today's video, it's quite different than the other videos that I've made. But basically, I have this bike here. It's called the Yamaha PW80, and I've had this bike for around maybe 8 years or so, and it's been sitting for around 2, maybe even longer, and it has a lot of problems with it. For starters, you know, this tube's not doing well, so we need to replace that. This is ruined. There's an oil tube in here that is ruined as well. If I can just get that quick. This part right here, it's broken off. It's hard to see on camera. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's okay, but it's, you know, it just has a bit too much work on it. Luckily, the back tire is actually okay. I cleaned the carburetor and everything. So once basically it's just the front tire tube, the new brake line, the oil tube, and some gas for it, maybe some new oil, and it should technically run. I also have, since the old airbox had I couldn't find a singular filter, I had to just get a whole new airbox with the filter in it. A ton of bags with a ton of parts, you know, just a ton of parts in there, spark plugs, you know, screws for different things. Oh yeah, I had to get a new oil dipstick too, which really sucked because it just, you know, it's just such a waste, honestly. And then I just got a ton of stuff over here, like starting fluid, you know, carburetor to cycle, you know, starting fluid, brake cleaner, just all this stuff, you know. But other than that, that's basically it for this bike right now. There's a ton of parts: the gas tank, seat, fender. But this bike's pretty cool, and I can't wait to have it actually start. Just to let you guys know that this is not the new, like, regular videos for my channel. I just wanted to make a video about this bike just because of how cool it is, everything about this bike. So yeah, 5M videos and stuff like that will be coming out soon and everything. With the school's just been terrible. But other than that, that's pretty much it. You know, here's the carburetor. Maybe I can get a better angle on this quick. So, you know, carburetor there, pistons, gearbox, the choke, all the tubes. This is where the gas tank would be. The airbox would be there. The seat would be on top of this. You know, the other oil tank for the engine, the exhaust, and then the oil for the gearbox. And other than that, that's pretty much it. And I just put this towel over it just so nothing gets in the carburetor while sitting without, you know, a tube on it, because that's not good. I replaced the spark plug. So basically, to name off all the problems with this bike, front tire tube was bad, oil tube was bad, like the oil injection tube into the carburetor was bad, the oil dipstick right here was bad, this oil and the gearbox oil is definitely bad, the gas tank in this was bad, we had to empty that, clean it with brake cleaner. This fuel valve was bad, which is in here. See this? The screens were completely broken on it. So that was bad, and the old spark plug was not too terrible. If I can get this out. See, here's the old spark plug. It's really not, it's not terrible, but it doesn't hurt to get a new spark plug since it only costs like $4 or whatever. It just doesn't make sense why you wouldn't, while you're already putting money into the bike. Other than that, we got all the, you know, tools and everything necessary for everything that we can do. Other than that, it's been a pretty fun project, and it should be completed by I'd say Friday, if we're lucky. If we're lucky, it will start on Thursday, because as of right now, I have the front tire tube coming in on Thursday. I got the oil injection tube coming in on Thursday, and I got some other tube coming in on Thursday. So, if we're lucky, it will start on Thursday. If not, then we'll see if there's another problem within the gearbox, within the engine, within maybe the oil we'll have to change. I don't know. I just can't wait to see this thing run though. And just let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this bike. If you guys have any recommendations, if you guys have any questions, I'll try to answer them. And other than that, that should be it for the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and everything. But yeah, peace out, guys. See you guys later.